Sorry, Coco. All right. We're getting some cleaning done, getting some watering done. Sorry, Coco, you're kind of in my way. You're kind of in my way. So, but while it's pretty, I'm taking advantage, getting everybody some fresh water. Watch out, girls. Mamas, no, no. No, no. No, no. Don't want y'all to get squished. Okay. Let's try. I guarantee they're probably going to climb up here to see what everything's about, because here, y'all want to say hi? Y'all think y'all can? Hmm? Oh, watch out, Mama. I'm sorry. Yeah, in my way. Watch out, ladies. Watch out, ladies. I used the big giant turtle sandboxes for their watering because they like to get in there and bathe. Let's see if I can find mine. Kind of in the wrong spot, Mama. Yeah. You're kind of in the wrong spot. That right there's what I'm looking for. Let's set that right here. All right, girls. Mama, look out! Look out! Boy, y'all been playing in the mud or something? Y'all got some dirty hiney. What's up with that? Huh? Alright, you got a clean bathtub. Y'all can work on that. Y'all can work on that. Here, let me take it. There you go. You're alright, Mama. Let me see. Look at this pretty girl. Look at that pretty girl. Yeah. Yeah. Somebody's been pecking at your head? Yeah. Looks like somebody was pecking at your head. They being mean to you. You let me know. I'll paddle their feathers. I will. I'll get them for you. You let me know. You let me know. I'll paddle their feathers for you. I'll get them. No bullying in the coops. Ain't standing for no bullying. Are you waiting in line for a good clean drink? Yeah? Alright, that's good. Let's get y'all over here. What? Was you saying? What you talking about, Mama? What you talking about? You excited because I'm getting you fresh water? You'll get pretty excited about the water. Olaf, stop that. We're going to have to figure y'all up a different little thing this spring so that y'all can not make such a mess in your coop. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out, huh, Mama? Yeah. Alright, who wants a bite? Come on. Come on, you can do it. Good girl. Alright, who wants a bite? There you go. Come on. Good girl. Come on. Oh. Not quite so tall. Here you go, baby. Oh, almost. Try it again. Here we go. Good girl. Come on. Come on. There you go. Come on, let's get some exercise. All right. There we go. Jumping through the oldies. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Oh. There you go. Hey, let's share. We got plenty. There. Well, that was a good jump, girl. You've been working on your cardio, ain't you? Yeah, there you go. That was a good one. There we go. Come on. Oh, there you go. Come on. Yeah, there you go. Come on, mamas. There we go. Let's work an egg out. There we go. You know, that might help you throw an egg out. You never know. I need to get y'all some little sweat bands for your little feet while we're doing this. Yeah, come on. There you go. Come on, mamas. Come on. Come on. How about you? That was kind of wimpy. Let's do that again. Come on. How about you? Oh, come on. There you go. Come on. Come on. You getting tired already? Oh, let's get you. Here you go, baby. There, that was a good jump. That was a good jump. All right. There we go. Come on. I don't know what you're called, but boy, you're plumb pretty. There you go, babies. Ooh. All right. There we go. There we go. I have different breeds in this one. There's not a rooster in this one, so that's why there's maybe 5 different breeds in here. They're mostly lavender Orpingtons, but like this one here, she's not a lavender, she's different. And then we got this one here. Oh, I'm sorry, excuse me, pardon me. This one here, she's different. That was my finger you got. This one here is really pretty feathers. Not sure what these two are, but these two are the same. You catch it? Someone know? There we go. But I don't remember what they are. They're really pretty though. I'd like to get some leghorns. My husband likes leghorns. And I'd like to get some chocolate Orpingtons. And I'd like to get a few more silkies. I have 40 chickens right now. Hey, Mama. 40 chickens, 8 turkeys, 3 goats that are pregnant, a Great Pyrenees that is half Pyrenees and half Labrador, so it doesn't mind chasing a ball for you, but it sure takes care of our animals. He's a good boy. Oh, let's shut the water down. Y'all are done. Y'all are done. All right. Yeah. All right, let me move to the next one. Y'all be good. I know. I know. Yeah. Does anybody know what kind of chicken that is? I have 2 of them. They're really pretty. They're about ready to start laying. And then, where's my other one? I have one that's not a lavender, but she's more white. But she must be in the back. And this one here, not sure. I guess we'll figure it out one day. Never know. But I have a variety in there because there's no rooster in there. When I get a lavender Orpington rooster for in there, then the other ones won't be in there. They'll go somewhere else. How about you guys? Y'all ready? Y'all want some fresh water? Yeah. Hey, I need some more water hose. Say hi, Max. You say hi? You say hi? Yeah? What you got all over your head? Huh? Well, hang on. I got it into this one now, but I'm going to need all of it brought up regardless because it'll take that much to get back to the goats. All right, girls, say hi. You want to say hi? You want to talk? You want to say something? Yeah? Isn't that rooster? Isn't he pretty? Look at that pretty tail. He got in a fight and knocked off one of his spurs back there. It's doing good, though. The other one is still there, but they're a good boy. They're a good boy. Okay. Let's get you. I hear my goats. All right, let's see. There it is. All right, girls, look at this. I tried to warn you. These are Plymouth Rocks. Dirty their water up so quick because they love being in the bathtub. They like taking their bath. Get y'all a little bit of the magic juice in there. Yeah. You gotta have a little bit of the magic juice to poke in there. That's right. Keeps you all good and healthy. It does. Let me see. I can't get to my... There it is. This coop here is made out of a loft bed. They seem to like this one. They get up at the very, very top to sleep at night, and about halfway up they have nesting boxes. They have the artificial grass. They seem to like it better than they do the shavings, the hay, or anything. They really like it. Plus it's easier to keep clean. Oh, there's some of their eggs. I don't know if you can see the colors. There we go. Oh, lavender Orpingtons. Those are a little bit lighter color. Get y'all's eggs put in there. Y'all waiting patiently for your water? That's all right. We had to go to Texas today, so they didn't get to get out and roam today. I like to be here when they're out and about. But we had to leave early this morning, so I didn't have time to actually let them out before I went. So they stayed in. But they were out yesterday. So they'll be out tomorrow. All right. All right, what you girls want? Let's get y'all something. How about that? You want something? You need something, or you just want something? All right, let's see who we can get to jump over here. Come on. Come on. Let's see what I got. All right, come on. Oh, that was a good jump. Come on, good girl. You jumped over that one. Come on. There we go. Come on. There we go. Y'all look like y'all got jumping beans in your britches. Come on. Come on. All right, there we go. Sweating to the chickens. Let's go. Come on. Oh, well, y'all about battled on that one. Here we go. Come on. Come on, Mama. How about you? Yeah, I know you wanted it. Here we go. There you go. Good job. There. Oh, that was a good jump. You ready for the all-time league, ain't you? Huh? Need to get y'all some little basketball outfits. Y'all do all this jumping. I bet y'all could dunk. I bet y'all could do some dunking. Oh, let's not do no fighting. There's plenty. There you go. There you go. I know it. I'll get you babies here in just a minute. I'll get you babies here in a minute. No matter how bad I feel today, I still got to get this done regardless. This is one of my bad days I've been having. But when I do this, it kind of gets my mind off of it where it doesn't bother me as bad. Because cancer will do that to you. All right, babies. Been really tired today. Been worn out, but I have to do my oncology's in Texas. My specialist is way up in Plano. And I gotta do what I gotta do. I can't just lay in bed and get nothing done. Because that means you give up. You can't give up. Because then you don't last. I can't do that to my animals. I like my animals. That's what keeps me going. And I don't know what my husband would do without me. He'd be lost. And here you go, babies. All right. Let's bring this back down. All right, let's go see what else we can get done. Yeah. Oh, hey, Olaf. Yeah. So see, I have to put the bricks around this, and I put mulch up underneath the swimming pool here, because that's the only way I can keep the swimming pool level, because our whole property goes down a slope. So I do what I can to make things work. That's all you can do. Okay, right, girls. I'm coming, Olaf. I'm coming. I'm coming. Let me get this. What is that? Oh, we got some vines hanging down. Hang on, baby. I'll get you some water. Get you some fresh water. Your water don't look too bad, but I'm still gonna get you some new stuff. What's all you babies doing? Huh? What's all you babies doing? Yeah? All right. All right, let me get him a little grain while I'm in there. And I'll leave. No, Mom. No. Okay. Oh, I gotta have that as well. All right, y'all stay out of that. Hey, big boy. You want some grain? Back up. Max. Oh. You want some grain? This is one of the first water tubs that we made. He likes it. He's a big boy. Look at that pretty boy. Nobody used to could touch him. People we got him from, they love goats and everything, but they never could get him to let him touch them. But he's a good boy. He's a good boy. He'll eat out of my hands. He's a good boy. They couldn't believe I was able to get him to eat out of my hands within 2 weeks. Let's go, girls. Give him a little bit of the juice. I put a little apple cider vinegar in their water. helps out. Let's see. Whew, the sun starting to come down. But look at this back here. Look at all this wooded area we got. The goats love it. The dogs, the chickens, they all love it back here. Deer come up here all the time. I'll get to y'all in just a minute. Yes. I will get to y'all in just a little bit. Is that good? Boy, you're licking them lips, aren't you, baby? That is Olaf. I didn't put none on this side. Ginger's not over here. You got food all over your face. My goodness. Food all over your face. What you think, big boy? Let's see if you can see that view. That's an awesome view right there. Let's see if we can see that view. Let me see. Look at that up there. I don't know if you can, I can't seem to zoom in, but you can just kind of see way over there. It's kind of like we're in a valley almost. The way that's uphill. We're uphill, and then everything in between kind of goes down. About like the camera. But it's pretty, and that's all that counts. That's what we like. Hang on, buddy. I'll get you a good drink. Yeah. Seems like keeping these nettings on the outside of this makes it to where they don't rub on the fencing as much. They just do on the parts that I don't have the netting, which is all on the front area. Plus it helps keep that north air off of them as well. It helps. All right, baby, go get you a drink. Go get you a drink. You got plenty of hay. I'll let you out tomorrow, big boy. Okay? Out tomorrow. I'll let you out tomorrow, okay? It's too late to come out today. We got back too late. All right? Yeah? All right. Let's see. What do I need? Let's go take care of Maximum. Let's go get you some water, Max. Let's go get you some water. Hang on, boy. Hang on. Hang on. Where's your bucket? There it is. I've moved your bucket. Look at that wooded area. Yeah. All these deer come up through here. That's a deer. Turkeys. Wild turkeys. Not my turkeys, but wild turkeys. Lots of wild turkeys. He's got... Oh, are you hiding? Oh, sorry. Invaded his privacy. He went pee-pee. Hey, Coco. So we had gotten them this small trampoline here. It's like a kid's version that had sides on them. We took the sides off. But they've had it 2 years now and it's about worn out. So we picked them up a new one the other day, but we're not going to put it up until this spring. The turkeys love getting on it, the goats, Max does. It seems to be their all-time favorite thing. So the next one is like an actual regular size trampoline. It's pretty good size. It has the sides and things on it, and the little mat that goes over the springs and everything. But we'll leave that stuff off because Max will just pull it off anyway. So I'm debating on taking the long part of the legs off of the big trampoline so it's down lower, but I don't want it to be too low to where, you know, when they get on it, they're actually on the ground. I want them to be able to enjoy it. So we'll have to see on that. If not, I might have to make some steps for it. Hang on, Max. I'll get you some food. I'll get you some food. You say hi? What about you, Wei Wei? Huh? That pretty face. Hi, Blue. And that's Ginger. This is Ginger. I hear my silkies in there. I don't know if you can see. You see my silkies back in there? Alright, let me get Max some food. Let's get Max some food so he can go ahead and eat. And I'm really debating on their... So I have their... Oh, I'm being invaded by turkeys. So I have, let me show you. No, Coco, don't go in there, baby. So see how these are all up above the ground? So I'm kind of wondering, should I bring them down on the ground like Olaf's over here? So when they have their babies can't get hurt coming in and out of it, you know? Kind of wondering what would be a good idea. They have a ramp. They have a ramp, but still, I mean, I'm afraid it might hurt a baby going up and down, but it keeps the mice out of there. The mice don't get up underneath these things when I have them up off the ground like this. And so that's what I'm just kind of debating on. Hi, babies. Y'all have got so many of different colors in y'all. Look at this. Look at the light brown and the speckled blacks, the dark blacks, the dark browns. All these different colors. And the mom and daddy's both black. I guess it's just a bloodline. I don't care. I like them. I just like them. All right, I'll go ahead and put some water in this pen over here I was just showing you. There's nothing in it, but if I have a goat that has babies, then I'm gonna end up separating them because they're all pregnant anyway. So let's see. I'm not gonna do that one. All right, let me go get some water put over here in this one. Are we following the leader? Huh? Are we playing follow the leader, Coco? Yeah? Delbert he's raking some leaves and doing some burning. Oh, sorry. I guess my goats or my turkeys are playing jump rope with me. Doing this. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, I'd have to clean that out too before. This is where my turkeys had their babies. They would come up here and they'd keep their feet in here. This is where they had their babies. It needs to be cleaned out. Starting to get some grass in here, I see. Starting to get some grass. All right, let's do this. Oh, here we go. We're figuring it out. Here we go. This one has lights on it too. These bigger lights. They're all solar lights out here. It kind of helps because when the turkeys kind of get a little spooked, they're out and about and they can't see at all at night. They're blind at night. They will literally walk into a tree because they can't see it. I'm guessing that's why they like to stay up front where the big solar street light is that we have out here in the yard. We have it at the very front. And I do a lot of the solar lights because I'm up here a lot at night. 12, 1, 2 o'clock in the morning, I'm out here because I'm checking on my animals. I got cameras out here, video. And so if I hear any of my animals acting like they're in distress or making any kind of noise, I come check on them. So, because I'm usually up anyway. But yeah, all this wooded area. All this wooded area. I love it. It's so peaceful and quiet out here. I just love it. All this peace and quiet. It is so shady out here in the summertime. It's really awesome. I seen a really huge hoot owl fly over the other day. And never seen one that big, but it was really huge. Big old thing. I hear them talking at night. There's a couple of them. They talk to each other back and forth. But that's the first time I got to see one. Mostly white. Big pretty thing. Listening to the wind and the leaves on the trees. Hi, Coco. Coco. Coco's out here with me anytime I bump up the hill. Anytime I'm up this hill, she's right up here with me. She's like my little security. My little security buddy. I raised her from an egg. She's an awesome little thing. I guess that's why she follows me around. She's spoiled. It doesn't help. I spoil her, give her treats a lot. But I kind of give them all that. I'll get to you two next. Calm down. Max was howling all night last night because we found his toy. While my husband was raking leaves, we found his toy. Looks like two tires entwined with each other. And when it moves, it'll make a chicken noise or a coyote sound or a dog sound or pig sound. And so he loves it so much, he'll sit there with it. He won't let none of the other animals near it. And he'll put his paw on it and just barely move it. And when it makes that noise, then he'll just howl. And when it's done, he'll look at it and barely move it again and get a different sound going off. And then he'll howl. He just loves it so much. Don't you, baby? You just love that toy. I haven't been able to find another one like it. So, I think I got it from an Amazon store. I thought it was kind of neat. He loves it. He loves any kind of toy that's yellow. Evidently, dogs have favorite colors because my service dog only likes things that are green or orange. So she has so many stuffed alligators that she really loves and stuffed giraffes. When Max, he loves big, round, squeaky, yellow balls. He loves squeaky toys and he likes the balls, don't you? He loves to squeak them. He doesn't tear up his toys. He's really good with his toys. He loves these toys, don't you? Look at this big pretty boy. Look at this big pretty boy. Yeah. Yeah. We've had him 2 years and about 2 years and 6 months now, I believe. I'll have to check, but I believe. Uh-oh. What happened to your tooth? You chipped a tooth. Well, you're going to the vet next month anyway, so we'll get it checked. He gets his, he'll get his physical this next month, him and Gracie. And I've never put him in a vehicle to do that. He was taken care of before we got him. And since he's a rescue. And so it is time for him to get it done. Oop, there we go. So that way I can give him his heartworm prevention and his flea meds for this next year. Get him his rabies shots and all that stuff because, oh, right there. This is one of his favorite toys right here. Look at this. He loves this thing. He hears it. Here he comes. Here he comes. I got your toy. I got your toy. Oh, he was down there playing with my service dog. All right. Let's get the water hose in here and get y'all going next. Yeah. Let me go get my egg basket. I've been gathering eggs while I've been doing this too. And woo-wee. Yeah, we know it's breeding season when I come over here close to you and you got some nice cologne going on there, big boy. Yes, you do. All right. Watch out. Let's go. Max, we're not bowling for buzzards. We're not doing that. He likes to run between the turkeys because he thinks it's funny to make them part ways. And so I'm trying to get him to stop that. He thinks it's funny. But my big old male turkey, he'll challenge him. and chase him around the yard. And so Max thinks it's funny. And so that's what they do. They have a game going on where they chase each other because they think it's funny. Oh, pardon me. Hey, Delbert, can you get me that thing so we can do Christmas pictures over here? It's right there on the first chicken coop. Bring it up to the goats, the females. So I've been trying to get some Christmas pictures, which, oh, I got hair or something on my face. So we've been trying to get some Christmas pictures. I got some with the chickens, but I want to get some with the goats as well. Let's see, I put a new netting up here, so I got to see how I can get this over the fence. All right, hang on a minute. There we go. Oh, watch out, baby. Sorry. Come on in. This won't take long at all. Whoop. Watch out, Ginger. Don't let them have it because they will eat it. They'll be like, hey. So, sit it up right. All right, so this is what we're doing. We're getting them to poke their heads in here so that we can get pictures of them. So, no, hang on a minute. They're going to eat it or bite on it if you don't let me get ready for it. So, let me get them around here. Come on. Stay right there. That's where I want you. That's where I want you. Watch your arm, baby. Ginger, right here. Right here. Oh, don't put it right on them. Hold it right here. Just hold it. Don't chew on it. Get down. He's going to chew on it. Or she's going to chew on it. You going to bite? There we go. All right, pull it out for just a minute and I'll get some pictures. All right, I'm going to get some pictures and I will post it on there with this video. All right, this is Bigfoot's Little Farm. Thank you.